Hello everyone. Today we will discuss the chapter 3 of the English, that is the little girl, and in this video we will learn the summary of this chapter and the exercise questions. So now let's get started. Now let's come to summary of the chapter. Kezia. Kezia was a little girl who lived with her mother, her father and her grandmother. Kezia's father was a busy man. He was so much lost in his business that he had no time for his family. Being an over-disciplined man, he was strict with Kezia as well. He never had those soft feelings for his little daughter, nor did he pet her for a while. All he did was giving her a casual kiss rather than a loving one. His presence at home frightened Kezia, and she felt relieved when he was gone. Kezia was afraid of her father that she stuttered in front of him. Stuttered means बोलने में तकलीफ होना, हकलाना. He appeared to her as harsh, rude, and critical. Her grandmother wanted her to understand her parents better and would ask her to go to the drawing room to chat with her parents. But she found them indifferent towards her. Okay? One day, grandmother suggested that she should prepare a pink cushion for her father's birthday. Kezia stitched the three sides of the pink cushion casing. Now she wanted to stuff it with something. In her mother's bedroom, on the bed table, she found many sheets of fine paper. She tore them off into small pieces and filled the pink cushion and stitched the four sides. Means उसको कोई भी पेपर्स नहीं मिले तो वो केसिंग को फिल करने के लिए, इसलिए वो अपने मदर के रूम में गई और उसको बेड टेबल पे कुछ पेपर्स दिखाई दिए तो उसने उसके स्क्रैप्स कर लिए, देन उसको पिन कुशन में फिल कर दिया और फोर्थ साइड स्टिच कर दी. By mistake, she had used the papers which contained her father's very important speech for the Port Authority. Though she accepted her mistake and tried to explain the reasons behind it, her father was too angry to listen to anything and punished her with a ruler on her palms. She failed to understand the punishment met out to her when she had already accepted her mistake. Means उसको वो नहीं समझ में आ रहा था कि जब उसने अपनी mistake को accept कर लिया है तब भी उसको punishment दी जा रही थी. So she said, what did God make fathers for? Look at this picture. In this picture, we can see that the little girl Kezia finds her mother reading and her father stretched out on the sofa. Now, one evening, she saw Mr. MacDonald playing with his 5 children, laughing and enjoying with them. This convinced Kezia that all fathers are not alike. Some are loving and caring like Mr. MacDonald, and some are cruel like her father. But soon her attitude towards her father also changed. One day, her mother had to be taken to the hospital and her grandmother accompanied her. Kezia was left alone in the house with the cook. The day was fine, but night was a different issue. She woke up in the middle of the night screaming as she had a horrible nightmare. वो थोड़ी देर बाद जग गई और आधी रात में जग गई और चिल्लाने लगी कि मुझे एक horrible dream आया है. She was weeping out of fear. वो बहुत रो रही थी डर की वजह से. When she opened her eyes, she saw her father beside her bed. जब उसने अपनी आंखें खोली तो उसने देखा कि उसके father उसके पास ही खड़े हैं. He carried her to his bedroom and made her warm and comfortable on his bed. Father told Kezia to rub her feet with his legs and get them warm. She felt very safe and comfortable with him. It was now she realized that her father was not all that of a giant, that he loved and cared for her in his own way. Means उसको अब realize हुआ कि वो अपनी खुद की way में उसको love करते, उसकी caring करते. That he had to work the whole day to provide for his family and was too tired by evening to play with her. Means उसने realize किया कि उनको पूरे दिन हार्ड वर्क करना पड़ता है और क्योंकि वो अपनी फैमिली को प्रोवाइड कर सके और वो उसकी वजह से थक जाते और इसलिए वो किजिया के साथ खेल नहीं पाते. So now she realized that his father is also a good person. So this was the summary of the chapter. Now in this picture, little girl Kezia is seen through a gap when Mr. MacDonald is playing with his 5 children in the evening. Now let's come to exercise solutions. Given below are some emotions that Kezia felt. Means यहाँ पे कुछ emotions दिए जो Kezia ने feel किए थे. Match the emotions in column A with the items in column B. Okay. So when she feel fear or terror, so the answer is when father comes home, when she speaks to father, when she goes to bed when alone at home, and when father stares out on the sofa and snoring. Then at that time she is feeling fear or terror. Now second one is glad sense of relief. So answer is when father comes into her room to give her a goodbye kiss, and when noise of the carriage grows fainter, then she feels the feeling of glad sense of relief. Third one, a funny feeling perhaps of understanding. So the answer is when father comforts her and falls asleep. Now question number 2. Answer the following questions in 1 or 2 sentences. First one, why was Kezia afraid of her father? Kezia क्यों afraid होती थी अपने father से? So answer, Kezia's father was a strict person who always used to give commands to everybody else in the house. He never seemed to smile. He was having an overpowering personality. So Kezia was afraid of him. Second one, who were the people in Kezia's family? Means Kezia के family में कौन से members थे? So answer, apart from Kezia and her father, there was Kezia's mother, grandmother and a cook in the family. Third one, what was Kezia's father's routine before going to his office? Means Kezia के father का routine क्या था office जाने से पहले? So answer, before going to his office, Kezia's father went into her room to give her a casual kiss. Second, what was Kezia's father routine after coming back from his office? So answer, after coming back from his office, he would ask for newspaper and a cup of tea. Third one, what was Kezia's father routine on Sundays? On Sundays, he would stretch out on the sofa, he would cover his face with his handkerchief, put his feet on one of the cushions, sleep soundly and snoring. Now question number 4. In what ways did Kezia's grandmother encourage her to get to know her father better? Means Kezia की grandmother उसको कैसे encourage करती थी कि वो अपने father को अच्छे से जान पाए? So answer, Kezia's grandmother encouraged her to get to know her father better by sending her to the drawing room to talk to her parents on Sundays. Means on every Sunday afternoon, she was encouraging her to go to the drawing room and have a nice talk with her parents to know them better. So she also suggested Kezia to make a gift of a pink cushion on her father's birthday. Now question number 3. Discuss these questions in class with your teacher and then write down your answers in 2 or 3 paragraphs each. First one, Kezia's efforts to please her father resulted in displeasing him very much. How did this happen? The little girl Kezia made all her effort to please her father, but in return, her father was very displeased with her. So here we have to describe the reason that how did this happen. So answer, Kezia efforts to please her father resulted in displeasing him. On every Sunday, her grandmother sent her down to the drawing room to have a nice talk with her father and mother. But her father always got irritated with her. He used to call her little brown owl. वो उसे कहते थे little brown owl. One day her grandmother suggested her to make a gift of a pin cushion on her father's birthday. Kezia stuffed her pink cushion with papers, but the sheets she had torn and filled in the cushion were her father's speech for the Port Authority. It was very important speech. He scolded her and punished her by hitting her palm with a ruler. उन्होंने Kezia को punish किया by hitting her palm with a ruler. Now second one, Kezia decides that there are different kinds of fathers. What kind of father was Mr. MacDonald and how was he different from Kezia's father? Kezia को ऐसा लगा कि there are different types of father in the world. So जब तो उसको मिस्टर मैकडोनाल्ड कौन से टाइप के फादर लगे और उसको कैसे लगा कि कीजिए मीन्स उसके फादर मिस्टर मैकडोनाल्ड से थोड़े डिफरेंट है. सो आंसर, कीजिए कंपेयर्ड हर फादर विद मिस्टर मैकडोनाल्ड, हर नेक्स्ट डोर नेबर. He was a loving, gentle and forgiving father. He was always smiling and playing with his children. He treated his children in a friendly manner. He was just opposite of Kezia's father. Unlike Kezia's father, he never punished his children. He played with them whenever he was free. Kezia's father was very harsh and a strict disciplinarian. Means कि जो मिस्टर मैकडोनल्ड थे वो बहुत लविंग थे, जेंटल थे और फॉरगिविंग फादर थे, और वो हमेशा स्माइल करते रहते थे और अपने चिल्ड्रन के साथ खेलते थे, और वो उनको फ्रेंडली मैनर से ट्रीट करते थे, और वो एकदम कीजिया के फादर से एकदम अपोजिट थे। और जैसे कीजिया के फादर अपने मतलब कीजिया को पनिश करते थे, वैसे वो अपने बच्चों को पनिश भी नहीं करते थे, और वो जब भी फ्री होते थे तब भी अपने चिल्ड्रन के साथ खेलते थे। तो कीजिया के फादर और बहुत हार्श थे और स्ट्रिक्ट डिसिप्लिनेरियन वाले थे। नाउ थर्ड क्वेश्चन, हाउ डज कीजिया बिगिन टू सी हर फादर एज ए ह्यूमन बीइंग हु नीड्स अ सिंपैथी? मींस कीजिया की थिंकिंग अपने फादर के लिए कैसे चेंज हो गई? सो one day Kizia's mother became ill and she and her grandmother went to the hospital. Kezia was left at home in the care of Alice. Alice is a cook. At night, when Alice put her to the bed, she had a nightmare. Nightmare means usko dream आया एक. She saw a butcher with a knife and a rope. She came close to her with a dreadful smile. Means उसने सपने में देखा कि सपने में एक कसाई को देखा, और वो कसाई किसके साथ था? एक नाइफ और रोप थी उसके पास। He came closer to her with a dreadful smile. Means उसने सपने में देखा कि बच्चा बहुत ही डेंजरस स्माइल के साथ उसके पास आ रहा है। She could not move but cried out. डर की वजह से कीजिया मूव नहीं कर पा रही थी और रो रही थी। But to her surprise, she found her father standing near her bed. He took her in his arms and made her sleep by his side. वो देखती है कि उसके पापा उसके बेड के पास ही खड़े थे। Then after some time, still half asleep, she crept close to him, snuggled her head under his arm. Means अपने पापा के आर्म के नीचे अपना सिर छुपा लेती है, and hold her father shut tightly. This way she felt comfortable. Then her father told her to rub her feet against his leg and get them warm. This made her realize that he had to work hard every day, due to which he got too tired to play with her like Mr. McDonald. She expressed her feelings for her father by telling him that he has a big heart. In this way, Kezia realized that his father is a good person. Now let's take some objective questions. Question number 1. Use an appropriate word from the synonyms given below. Clues are given in brackets. Means जो synonyms दिए गए नीचे bracket में, उसको use करके, जो bracket में clues दिए उसको use करके sentences में fill करना है. First one. She was dashed by the news of her brother's wedding. Here in bracket very pleased is given. So the synonym of very pleased is delighted. Second one. I was dashed to be invited to the party. Extremely pleased and excited about का synonym क्या होता है? Thrilled. Third one. She was dashed at the birth of a granddaughter. So यहाँ पे extremely happy दिया गया है, तो इसका synonym क्या होगा? Overjoyed. Fourth one. The coach was dashed with his performance. Satisfied about का synonym क्या होगा? Pleased. Fifth one. She was very happy with her results. Here in bracket happy about something that has happened is given. So the synonym of this one is happy. Now question number 2. Study the use of the word big in the following sentence. Means the following sentences are made up of the sentences are made up of word big. So we have to describe the meaning of the word big in the following sentence. For example, he was so big, his hands and his neck, especially his mouth. Here the meaning of big is large in size. So similarly, by using this method, we have to do these sentences also. First one, you are a big girl now. Here the meaning of big is older. Second one, today you are going to take the biggest decision of your career. Here the meaning of big is most important. Third one, their project is full of big ideas. यहाँ पे big क्या represent कर रहा है? Innovative. Fourth one, cricket is a big game in our country. यहाँ पे बिग क्या रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है? पॉपुलर। फिफ्थ वन, आई एम अ बिग फैन ऑफ लता मंगेशकर। यहाँ पे मीनिंग ऑफ बिग है ग्रेट। सिक्स्थ वन, you have to cook a bit more as my friend is a big eater. Here in this sentence it is told that you have to cook more because my friend is eating too much. So for the meaning of big here we will use word glutton. Glutton means a person who is eating too much. Seventh one, what a big heart you have got father dear. यहाँ पे big क्या represent कर रहा है? Kind. Now question number 3, underline the verb of reporting in the following sentences. When we use reporting verbs, we use verbs of reporting to advise, order, report statements, thoughts, intentions, questions, requests, apologies, manner of speaking, and so on. So let's do the exercise. First one, he says he will enjoy the ride. So here the verb of reporting is says. Second one, father mentioned that he was going on a holiday. Here the verb of reporting is mentioned. Third one, no one told us that the shop was closed. यहाँ पे reporting verb क्या है? Told. Fourth one, he answered that the price would go up. यहाँ पे क्या है reporting verb? Answered. Fifth one, I wondered why he was screaming. Here the reporting verb is wonder. Sixth one, Ben told her to wake him up. Here reporting verb is told. Seventh one, Ratan apologized for coming late to the party. रतन ने माफी मांगी पार्टी में लेट आने की वजह से. So यहाँ पे apologized reporting verb है. Next question is, some verbs of reporting are given in the box. Choose the appropriate verbs and fill in the blanks in the following sentences. Means ये बॉक्स में रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब्स दिए गए तो सेंटेंस में यूज लगे, सुइटेबल लगे, वो वर्ब्स उसमें फिल करने. सो एक बार देख लेते हैं ये वर्ड्स का मीनिंग. वर कंप्लेनिंग मतलब कंप्लेन करना, शाउटेड मतलब चिल्लाना, रिप्लाइड मतलब आंसर करना या कुछ रिप्लाई करना, रिमार्क मतलब टू राइट और टू से समथिंग, ऑर्डर मतलब ऑर्डर करना, सजेस्टेड मीन्स टू गिव एन एडवाइस और सजेशन. सो ये वर्ड्स की मीनिंग को ध्यान में रखते हुए सेंटेंस सुइटेबल सेंटेंसेस में वर्ब्स फिल अप करना है. फर्स्ट वन, आई एम नॉट अफ्रेड रिप्लाइड द वुमेन. सो ये सेंटेंस में वुमेन रिप्लाई कर रही है. सेकेंड वन, लीव मी अलोन माई मदर शाउटेड. यहाँ पे मदर क्या शाउट कर रही है? वो कह रही है कि मुझे छोड़ दो, लीव मी अलोन. थर्ड वन, द चिल्ड्रन वर कंप्लेनिंग दैट द रोड्स वर क्राउडेड एंड नॉइजी. बच्चों ने कहा कि रोड बहुत क्राउडेड है और नॉइजी है. मीन्स यहाँ पे चिल्ड्रन क्या कर रहे हैं? वर्क कंप्लेन कर रहे हैं, वर कंप्लेनिंग. फोर्थ वन, परहैप्स he is not a bad sort of a chap after all. Remark the master. यहाँ पे मास्टर कुछ बता रहे हैं या कुछ लिख रहे हैं कि वो इतना भी खराब नहीं है. फिफ्थ वन, लेट्स गो एंड लुक एट द स्कूल ग्राउंड. सजेस्टेड द स्पोर्ट्स टीचर. स्पोर्ट्स टीचर ने सजेस्ट किया कि चलो स्कूल ग्राउंड को एक बार देख के आते हैं. सिक्स्थ वन, the traffic police ordered the passers-by to keep off the road. ट्रैफिक पुलिस ने लोगों को ऑर्डर किया कि रोड से दूर रहे. So, thank you for listening and watching my presentation.